Email marketing tips to boost your business. Many an online business has been made, or broken, by a single email marketing campaign. If you do it right, it can go viral, driving massive traffic to your website. If you do it wrong, on the other hand, it can sink your company. Watch this video in full to find tips and techniques to teach you how to do it in a way that benefits your company. To make sure your emails don't turn people off, always seek permission before sending them out. Include a subscription button on your site, and encourage regular customers to have their friends sign up as well. If you'd like to give people some extra encouragement to subscribe, you could feature subscriber-only deals. Always seek permission before sending marketing emails to potential customers. Sending unsolicited emails will quickly have you labeled a spammer. Getting permission to send your messages doesn't have to be hard. Offer something valuable to your customers in exchange for the ability to email them, such as a discount, coupon, or other sign-up incentive. Make every effort to strike a personal tone in your emails. When a business is more personal, they feel that they can better relate to them. One way to reach out to your reader would be to include the reason they are receiving the email, if available. Be persistent with your email marketing messages. It can take as many as 20 emails to one prospect before you routinely have their attention. Try telling a good story through your messages. Hook them with a few messages and let it unfold over a series. Running contests that span several weeks are a good way to do this. When you know what to do, creating an email marketing campaign will be easy, effective and profitable. You'll better your online reputation while building profits, and the initial investment of both time and money is small. There is no better way to grow your business, so start creating your campaign today. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.